Let's learn to multiply using equal groups.
I have some seashells here. I have put them into equal groups. How many seashells are there? Let's count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 equal groups. Let's count the number of seashells in each group. There are 2 seashells in each group. We can use repeated addition to find the number of seashells. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. We can also multiply to find the number of seashells. When we multiply, we use this symbol. We read it as times. 5 groups times 2 is equal to 10. There are 10 seashells in all. 5 times 2 is equal to 10 is a multiplication sentence.
Enjoyed the video? Start learning now. Subscribe to our program by clicking the button below.